How to make Parmesan potatoes. Totally delicious these are. What you're going to need is 350 grams of potatoes. Baby new potatoes are the best, but you can still use the larger ones and chop them up. Pop them into boiling salted water and parboil them for around about 10 minutes. At this point you can preheat your oven to 200 degrees centigrade. Once the potatoes have parboiled, add in around 40 grams of butter and let that melt round and make sure that the potatoes are coated. Then you want to get a roasting tin and add in around about a tablespoon of sunflower or vegetable oil. You'll see here I've created a spice mix. In here is half a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of rosemary, you could use oregano, 1 teaspoon of garlic granules, and what you're going to do is tip that into the oil at the bottom. Add into the bottom of the tray 40 grams of grated Parmesan. And then you're going to take your potatoes and just evenly spread them out into the bottom. Any remaining butter, just place that over the top, and you can pop over some more Parmesan if you would like to. And then it's simply a case of baking in your oven for around about 30 minutes or until they're thoroughly cooked through. These are absolutely delicious. I actually serve them with quite a few dishes, but one of my favourite ways to eat them is with something called chicken pizziola. And yes, here it is. Don't worry, because I'm going to be sharing this recipe next time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you want the full written recipe, go to my website, cookingwithemily.co.uk.